Hey everyone, it's Alex. Welcome back to the channel. I recently got a chance to fly with my wife Haley for the first time since I got my private pilot's license back in October last year, about 8-9 months ago. Due to some scheduling issues at the flight school where I rent the planes, I wasn't able to reserve 290 this time like normal. I had to rent 622, which is another Piper Warrior at the flight school, which I have flown before. Unfortunately, the comms weren't working properly, so we couldn't listen or communicate with ATC very well. And of course, the headset plugs in the back seat weren't working either, so Haley wasn't able to hear or talk the entire flight, which was super disappointing. The video was supposed to be a whole cross-country video. However, due to these comms issues, I'm just going to put it up as a Class Charlie VFR arrival video. I still got some great footage, and you'll see us cold call ATC on approach back to Pensacola, get a squawk number, and then arrive at the airport and follow several commercial airliners back into landing, which was pretty cool. The video will pick up with us about 10 to 15 miles west of Gulf Shores along the Gulf Coast. Please like the video, leave a comment on this video or any of my other videos if you want to chat aviation, and please subscribe to the channel if you're new. I've still got my goal of 5,000 total views on the channel and 100 subscribers, which we're getting very close to, so please subscribe. Anyways, thanks for watching and tuning into the channel, and hope you enjoy.
My point is we're clear, Jack Odor's about 500 feet. The airspace stops at 2K.
You want to hold in where for that? You want to hold in on softly for the viewer?
Yeah, you can flood me, I'll transmit in a second. How far are we from Gulf Shores here? 10 miles. Okay.
Yeah, like I said, you're going to have to do it pretty high up because that's the primary runway, so I'm going to probably hold you at like 6,000 feet.
Alright, good one, call.
Let's go approach Warrior 41622.
Warrior 41622 will make clear Charlie airspace and stand by.
I'm in clear of the Charlie, we'll stand by 41622.
Destination day. Come on, left deck, Dayton 306 call center.
How am I on the Delta? We're heading towards it, but we're going to fly above it. Oh, we're above it? Yeah. Okay. By 500 feet. Nice.
1919 Yankee Pensacola approach, maintain VFR. And there was a VFR calling, who was that?
Warrior 4162, we're 5 miles to the west of Gulf Shores. We're RTB along the shoreline.
Warrior 41622, squawk 0110.
0110 for 41622.
Warrior 41622, you are radar contact, maintain 2,500 or above for Pensacola.
Roger, we'll maintain 2,500 or above for 41622, thanks.
So you want Echo 628, maintain 6,000, hold it softly as published.
I'm good to kind of intercept the shoreline now, right?
Victor, contact Jack, 120.2, good day.
Hey, from
8.2, 306 Golf Victor, have a sweet day.
I think it's ATIS is 12125, right? Good question.
50 Echo, contact tower.
Yes. Yeah. Should be able to. Oh, I got to plug in this line.
Keep that full approach, uniform current, glad you have it. Roger, plan a visual of my non-Pensacola altimeter 2997.
Pensacola Airport information, Romeo 1550.
Romeo.
Wind at 0905, visibility 10. Sky clear below 12,000, temperature 30, viewpoint 11, altimeter 2906. Flight visual approach, landing and departing runway 8.
Okay. Big Gucci. How are we on traffic?
Roger that, Victor, thanks.
We're good, I don't see anything. Okay. I just wanted to swing a little bit out more on the shoreline. Just wanted to make sure we weren't cutting anybody off. at all the boats all in a line. Look at all the way out. Look at them. You can see them all. That's crazy.
Let's go approach Warrior 4162 just southeast of NAS Pensacola along the shoreline, ready to turn inbound where you can fit us in.
Warrior 4162, Pensacola approach, roger. November 122, Delta Tango, radar contact, Pensacola, Thunder 2997, and what was your requested altitude? 997, and for 2 Delta Tango, and we're going up to 5,500. And what was your destination, sir? 2 Delta Tango, Charlie Tango, Juliet. Number 2 Delta Tango, we're able to plot 3236. 3236 for 2 Delta Tango. Number 622, proceed direct to the airport.
Direct to the field for 622.
622, maintain out about 2,200 and enter downwind for runway 8.
At or above 2,000 for the downwind runway 8, 622.
Southwest 1488, contact tower, good day.
Alright, let's come down to 2,000. Drop in.
Okay, go for it. 2 minutes, we'll jump us away.
And we'll be entering the right downwind for runway.
VFR, frequency change for good day.
Ready for the descent check, just gonna wait. Go ahead. Alright, fuel switch. Fuel selector, let's switch that. Let me turn my fuel pump on. We'll flip that back to the right. I'm very sweaty. Alright, fuel selector's good. Power mixture. Power mixture, I'm managing. We're full rich, and I'm bringing back the power. Wasn't frozen. No. Mixture full rich, anyway. Landing lights on. Destination info, weather ready to go. Yeah, we got Romeo. Runway 8. Approach brief, already briefed.
62 contact tower, good day.
Over to tower 62, you too.
Can you do 119.9 for me? Yeah. There's 2,000. Garage.
Let's go tower Warrior 4162 just south of the field over Gulf Breeze, inbound runway 8 for the right downwind.
4162, enter the midfield right down for runway 8.
Midfield right downwind, runway 8, 62.
Alright, descent check is complete before landing. You want to do now? Yeah, we can just do it now.
So your number 2, Fauna 737, 4 mile Fauna, report them in Chevy.
We have a traffic inside 23 Echo.
23 Echo, follow traffic, runway 8, clear land, caution light turbulence.
Follow the traffic, runway 8, clear to land, caution light turbulence, 23 Echo.
Fuel pump. Fuel pump's on. Primer. Primer is in and locked. Mixture. Mixture's full rich.
060, contact departure.
Landing light's already on. Yep. Still harnessed.
060 over to departure, 1 Mike Delta, thank you.
Complete. Alright. Hey, there's another guy going right.
Sky 380, you're going to be number 2, Fauna Skyhawk on the mile and a half, or touching 2.5 mile left.
Alright, I see Southwest just touched down. Okay.
Looking for
I'm going to turn my downwind in a second here.
Pensacola Tower, 9245, holding short, runway 8 at Alpha, ready for VFR departure. 9245, Pensacola Tower, roger. Traffic inside 30. Sky 380, follow that Scott, and runway 8, cleared land number 2.
Alright, so we're going to be number 3.
Follow that Skyhawk, cleared land, runway 8, number 2, 380. Number 622, you can continue on the down, and I'll call your base train.
Continue on our down one, you'll call the base, 622.
Alright, so we got this guy, that guy, 380, we just cleared number 2, so we'll be number 3, I do. Raj.
For 9245, can you go without delay?
8 number 9245.
For 9245, fly runway heading, runway 8 at Alpha, clear for takeoff, traffic Scott on a mile and a half final.
Runway heading for red 9245, clear for takeoff, runway 8.
Let's go, tower 2901 Tango, ready for departure on Alpha, holding short of 8. Number 622, just make left 360's present position for inbound traffic.
Alright, we'll make left 360, 622.
Wait. There we go. Good view of downtown. Yeah. Don't get this view there often. Never good when normally they'll be like make one right 360. He was just like, just keep spinning. Yeah, I know.
Red 9245, turn left heading 060, contact departure.
Left
060 and switch departure Red 9245.
Should be clear. I got the last traffic on final.
Tower Blue Street 526, visual 8. Blue Street.
There's a,
Pensacola Tower, runway 8.
it's like SkyWest or United Express or whatever is the Blue Street. We're going to be after him probably. Zoom out far enough.
23 Echo, turn right at Charlie, ground point 9.
Turn right at Charlie, ground point 9, 23 Echo.
Number 622, you can roll on the downwind. Do you have the regional jets, 3 mile final in sight?
Rolling on the downwind and affirmative, we've got the traffic in sight.
Number 622, follow that traffic, caution light turbulence, runway 8, clear land number 2.
Following the traffic, number 2, clear to land, runway 8, 622, thanks.
Okay. Alright, so I'm going to stay high.
Short runway 8. Marine 767, Pensacola Tower.
Stay high and we'll land long. Sounds good. Stay nice and high. Yeah, and he's about to touch down. Probably get to turn, I would imagine.
3647, contact departure. Tower 5647, see ya. 2. Order 622, have a citation departure prior to your arrival, caution light turbulence.
Roger, got that traffic inside, 622.
366526, I appreciate the left turn, contact ground point 9.
Ground point 9, Blue Street 526.
Marine 767, runway 8, full length, clear for takeoff, Cherokee 2 mile final, fire on heading.
Clear for takeoff, runway heading at runway 8, Marine 767.
Got that traffic departing, I can't see him. Yeah, they're taking the runway right now. Okay. We're gonna have to thread the needle here. He just landed and then this guy's leaving. Alright, I got him on a roll. Alright, watch your knee. Throwing my first notch of flaps. Staying high. Good. He's gone. Off deck. Cool. Clear to land check the street. Second notch of flaps coming in.
Marine 767, contact departure, runway heading, have a safe flight.
If I shoot probably just past the 1,000-foot markers, we should be golden. Alright, fuel pump, landing light, mixture's full rich. I got 1 notch of flaps to go. Speed's looking good. A little slow.
Traffic, 12 o'clock, low.
Last notch of flaps. That check cogs, got the whole short. Then that nose down, power's coming out.
Pensacola Tower, A1 628, 3.5, cliff upon approach 6, inbound to the VOR, runway 8.
Letting her float.
Navy 1 Echo 628, Pensacola Tower, and execute climb out prior to the runway, do not fly the airport.
A1 Echo 628, copies all.
Order 622, right at Charlie, contact ground point 9.
Right at Charlie, over to ground, 622, thanks for your help today, see you.
See ya.
Pensacola Tower, Bowl 354, 9 miles to the northwest. Touch and go to full stop, below 354.
Level 354, Pensacola Tower. Roger, enter midfield. Enter midfield, left downwind for runway 8, and I'll clear descent.
0354.
354 and approach did restrict you at 2,200.
Hey everyone, it's me again. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm looking forward to more content with my wife Haley real soon. Please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And go over to the channel and watch the rest of my videos if you enjoyed this content. I've been trying to put out more content every few weeks, so please go over there and check out the rest of the videos. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching again, and we'll catch you on the next flight.